Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Ninja Blast portable battery operated blender. What comes with this thing? Find out now. So you ready? Let's get into this. Alright, here's the box. Ninja Blast portable blender. And it's got an 18-ounce cup, so that's pretty big for a portable blender, I think, but we shall see. There's a picture of your blender. Best portable blending power at 18 ounces. So the real question is, exactly how many 18-ounce portable blenders are there? Because if there's only one, then definitely it's the best one. Blast through frozen fruit and ice. So unlike a lot of blenders this size, this thing is touting its ability to cut through ice, so that'll be interesting to test this thing out. And it says it's got smoother smoothies versus the BlendJet 2, so that is a direct diss to BlendJet right on their packaging. I kind of like that. It's USB-C rechargeable and comes with a cord, so that's great. And this is Ninja's most compact and quietest blender. And if you've ever had a Ninja blender before, you'll know that it's not that difficult for it to be the quietest blender in the lineup. Okay, blend and drink in the same cup, which is pretty typical for a portable blender. And here is yet another roast of the BlendJet 2. So what that means is it better outperform the BlendJet 2, otherwise they look a little bit stupid, don't they? A little bit about the blade assembly and the features. It's dishwasher safe, but just like everything else, I always recommend don't put plastic stuff in the dishwasher, and definitely that base is not dishwasher safe, just like it says right there, lid and vessel only. You know what? Just hand wash it. You're gonna be better off, trust me. Let's get this thing open. Whoa, okay. Let's see what's we got. Wow, this is pretty nice looking. These come in a few different colors. This is the gray and black color, which is sort of the standard de facto colors that you normally get with Ninja stuff these days. It says right here, before your first use, to fully charge the battery for about 2 hours. We're gonna do a little demo a little bit later, and we're not gonna do that. So we'll see if it's got enough charge in it to do a quick blend. And if it does, that's great. And if it's not, at least they warned us, right? I guess the light on the front's gonna flash different codes, and right here is a key to what those are. And right here, you've got your quick user's guide. All the colors this thing comes in, all the parts, a few different little recipes for this thing, and on the other side, a couple more recipes. So that's pretty cool, and I appreciate that. Ninja likes to do that with all their products, and it's really a nice feature. Here's the instructions for using the blender, and again, right here are the different colored codes that you get. And evidently that light blinks different colors, so that's kind of cool too. Last time you'll see that though. Safety and troubleshooting guide. Most people don't open it until it's too late, which includes me most of the time. Okay, let's check this thing out. It's got a nice little carrying strap here. Pretty cool. And the lid has one of those button press releases here, like that. It's got a little rubber seal here as well, and a little air hole here so you don't get a bunch of pressure building up in this. That's all welcome because this is a portable blender and you don't want your stuff spilling out in your bag. Okay, let's twist the top off here and see what we got inside. Got a rubber seal here on the outside of the lid, and right here we've got the USB charging cable. Yep, there it is. You'll see you got a USB-C charging cable, but you don't get a little power brick. So that means you either got to go out and buy one, or you got to have something that you plug that right into to charge anyway. I don't see why you'd leave something like that out. It costs a couple of bucks in manufacturing, and it's sort of annoying when they don't give you one. Just saying. Okay. Just a guard for the blade, and we got a little more literature showing how to layer stuff in this machine, complete with pictures and just plain text as well. You can see this thing is really nice. You got different buttons here for turning the thing on and off and starting and stopping. A lot of these machines just have one button. This one has two. The cup here just twists off the top, and you can see that it's got a rubber seal around the sides here, so nothing leaks out obviously underneath this. The cup is hollow, whereas it has openings in the bottom and in the top, which really is the only way to design something like this. So really, whenever you're using this blender, you drink out of this thing with this entire thing attached. So keep in mind, if you have one of these, the cup itself is going to be a little bit on the heavy side just because you're having to pick up the blender base all the time. I like the ribs on this. This is pretty cool. And you can see right here we got markings on the blending vessel here for 14 ounces, 400 milliliter. And up here you got the max fill, which doesn't tell you the ounces, but we know it's 18 as far as what the box says. And then the equivalent milliliters. Kind of funny that they didn't just write that on there, because that is weird. All right, let's test this thing and see if there's enough juice to actually blend something. Remember, don't give Ninja a hard time if we don't get a full blend out of this first try. I'm just doing it to demo it to see how loud the thing is. It does say right on there that you need to charge it first, so, you know, it is what it is. Let's throw in a scoop of whey protein, and we're gonna throw in some frozen mango chunks. Looks like we got a couple of big chunks here too, so it might be a pretty decent test here, right? And then we'll throw in a little bit of water, like so. We'll throw on the lid. You can probably hear my dog snorting away in the background. Sorry about that. Turn this on, and let's start her up and see what happens. Oh, it did run out of battery. So we're just gonna let this sort of limp along, if we can. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, we ran out of power, so we let it charge for a couple of minutes just so we can try to get through this blend. Let's see if we got enough power. Oh, well, if the cycle was supposed to be 20 seconds, it came reasonably close to getting that done. Yeah, and that battery is out. That's kind of expected though, because really you're not supposed to ship stuff with full charges and batteries anyway, for obvious reasons. But let's go ahead and see what kind of results we got on a partial blend. Let's check this out. Oh, hey, that's smooth. Yeah, that's pretty good. Not perfect, but I would expect that this is going to be a little bit better once that battery's charged all the way up. So that's something that'll be interesting to see when we do all of our testing. Stay tuned. Portable blenders are all the rage these days, but the big problem is that they're usually really underpowered. Ninja claims that they solved that problem, so over the next couple of weeks we're going to really put that claim to the test. Once we get done testing, we'll be posting a full product review. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Blast portable blender, we do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, we do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay 1 cent. If you liked this video, you might be interested in this video right here where we unbox the BlendJet 2 portable blender. That right there is a direct competitor to the Ninja Blast, and it might be sort of interesting to see how the two packages compare. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.